Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can use Trading 212 in a few simple steps. I will show you how to buy stocks, how to sell them, how to deposit funds, and how to work with charts and everything. So when I came to Trading 212, one of the most furious things or things I didn't understand, how to search for stocks, how to find ETFs, because I actually like to invest into ETFs. So what you want to do, you're just gonna search button here, and you just want to write here the stock that you're interested in. Let's say that I'm interested in Hertz, and I got Hertz here. So I can just click here plus, and you can create a new watch list, like stocks that I will never buy, or never buy them. Nice. And voila, when I go back, I can see that in never buy them, I have a Hertz Global. What you can do then is, let's say that you want to create a watch list of American Airlines, right? So again, right click, let's just write here airlines. And I can see here the American Airlines dropped to $11. That's wow. And if it goes below 10, go and buy. Honestly. Just click here plus, add a new watch list, watch name, airlines. And you can just add here all airlines you're interested in, like Boeing. Also, and voila, when I'm here, I can see these stocks. Now, on your tabs, you will see all the stocks that you opened. You can just easily close them. The next thing is the market here, that you can press zoom in and zoom out. This is simple stuff that you can change the range. Then you have what type of graph would you like to work with, a candlestick, with the lines, or the area is really up to you. Then you get grid here that you can turn off, turn on, patterns, candle timer, really play around it. Then you can create a template here. You can have the volume here, and you can play around it. Now you can add this is paint, right? The bar, the lines. So if you want to make some analyzations, you can play around it. And that's pretty much it. Circles here, the ellipse. So yeah. And then you can add text. Pretty simple, pretty easy stuff. And right when you have it, let's just buy Apple stocks. So I have an Apple here, or Boeing. Okay. So I have buying here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to click buy. Now you have options to add number of shares here. And if I'm going to buy 7 shares of Boeing, it's going to cost 1,000 euro. If you're from the US, it's going to cost $1,000. And then you can buy it by number of shares or by value. So if I'm going to invest, I don't know, let's say $2,000, I'm going to buy 13 shares of Boeing. And it's pretty cool. Now, you can also limit here that set the maximum price you're willing to pay per share. And I'm willing to pay for share, I don't know, 180 on the end of the day, right? So if the maximum price will be 180, I'm willing to pay for the share at end of the day, or GTC. Now the stop, set the price above the current price that converts your order to market order. Again, you just play around it, and I don't know, 25. And again, and then you get stop limit here. Then set the maximum price you're willing to pay per share. So I'm willing to pay per share. This is simple stuff. I don't know, 180. So yeah, this is how you buy and sell shares. And when I'm going to buy a share, let's say like this, I need to shares. I buy 20 shares. Nice. And now I will see pending orders right here. And you're gonna see, okay, that I have pending order on Boeing, but the market is not open yet, so I'm not going to own the stock. Also, on the right down corner, you're gonna see like your free funds. This is a demo account or account value that you have. And you can also create the price alerts right here, new price alert. You can have like Boeing. And when it's going to be 180, I want a price alert. That's pretty simple stuff. And it's like interesting and easy. Now, when I go to normal account, switch to real money, what you can do is easily just deposit money. That's simple. Or you can withdraw money. And I just add here now my password. And I can just easily withdraw amount that I want to withdraw. It's pretty easy. And it's pretty much it. Like there is not too much things or airlines. I just want to see how the American airlines are doing. Yeah, they were dropping hard. Really hard. So that's pretty much it. And this is how we do it, guys. If you have any questions, ask me down below in comments. Investing like for the trading 212 is really easy. Comparing to interactive brokers, I think that's like pretty simple. Again, it's same in your real account. Completely same. You can also change the language, you can change the time zone, the password, the trading preferences. You can turn off the tooltips or like have the themes to light and dark. Again, up to you which one you choose. It's same in like pending orders, the price alerts that you have. I don't actually then day trade because I don't like day trading. I'm like the type of person who likes to invest to ETFs and funds because I just like to like have a job and stuff like that and just invest my money. So thank you everybody. If you have any questions, ask me down below in comments. Have a great day and goodbye.